Hi, my name is Lisa and I am a teacher with Latin Quarter Dance School in Belfast. This tutorial covers the basic footwork of rock and roll jive for ladies and leads. This basic is used exclusively throughout the beginner stage of any rock and roll jive class. Let's have a look at the ladies' basic footwork first. Starting on the right for the ladies. Rock, rock, quick, quick. The back step or quick, quick is not a rock step as it should be as fast as possible. The heel does not touch the ground but acts as a spring propelling your weight forward. Starting on the right for the ladies. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Notice how my heel doesn't touch the ground on the quick, quick. Slow. Now we'll cover the leads' basic footwork. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. Starting on the left for the lead. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Notice how the heel doesn't touch the floor on the quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. This basic should be practiced thoroughly before getting involved in patterns. Quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow.